We still have not done our homework. Look at the time. Wait. Let me say something first. Try this tongue twister. Next, homework. Let's say a tongue twister first. Then quickly done our homework and play. Okay? Okay. Many merry monkeys munched mangoes massively. Easy. Many merry monkeys munch. Wait, monkeys what next? Munched mangoes massively. Okay. Many merry monkeys munched mangoes massively. Wait, was it messily or massively? You did it. Correct word is massively, not messily. Now, let's do our homework and play. Okay? Viewers, try this at home and comment if you got it right. See you in the next challenge.